That's not what you want. That's the best thing you could give them right now.
Let's go, Sparta! Come on, guys!
Come on, boys, come on, more!
Go, Sparta!
Where?
Nice, Morgan.
All right, Morgan.
Night, Mo!
Okay, let's do it now. Let's end this game.
Hey, Daniel, can you just... one of those crazy things you do sometimes?
No.
Oh, can you get there, Jake?
Get there, Nick!
Good job.
Come on, Jake. Shoot, now we're getting lightning.
Keep going, Rebel! He has to come out, he has to come out. The coaches come on the field.
Yeah, if the coach comes on the field.
If the coach goes on the
You guys are morons.
Let's go, Blue. Keep it up, guys. Let's go, Nick. Nick, follow this up, dude.
Can we sneak one in, boys? Let's do this. Seriously.
It's good. Good following.
Okay, guys, come on. Problem is we're tired now. We look tired.
I know, it's like a little bit of a switch.
Go, Nicky.
Good job, Nick.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good job, Nicky K.
Good call. Good job, Nick.
Who's in, Daniel?
Pass for 10. Jake's going to finesse it in. Can you go that way a little bit? That's better. Thank you.
Ask for 10, Jake.
Pass for 10.
Ask for 10, Jake. What? We're at 3 minutes.
Follow it up, Blue. Keep on side.
Oh!
Corner.
I'm about to run out of batteries now.
Keep going. Finish this, Rebels. Keep going, Blue. Keep it in. Let's go, Rebels. Good job. Good work. Come on, Rebels. Let's finish it. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Stop it.
Go hard, Sam. Go hard. Got it, Nick. All right. Good pressure.